Hi all, welcome back to Mom and Me Bombs. We are back again with a Christmas special. How to make achappam, otherwise known as rose cookies. This is a sweet crunchy snack that are made using traditional Indian acha iron cast mold. It is an essential snack for Christians in South India. It is said to be favorite among Christians during Christmas season, and these are similar to European Christmas fruit cake which is used during the Christmas Eve. Those who love to sample an authentic Kerala tea time snack, go for this. Here are the ingredients. These are the ingredients in detail. Rice should be soaked in water for at least 3 hours and the water should be drained out. Into a jar, add 1 medium-sized egg and into that add 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar and blend this. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Now take half portion of the rice soaked and into that add little coconut milk. The rice we took was 1.5 cup and coconut milk was about 1 to 2 cups, which is extracted from the pulp of matured coconut, that is half coconut. Keeping that aside, take the remaining portion of the rice and grind it with little coconut milk. Take care not to add too much of coconut milk. After transferring into a bowl, keep this aside to rest for 30 minutes. Add 1.5 teaspoon of black sesame seeds, half teaspoon of cumin powder and salt to taste and stir this well. You can add more coconut milk to adjust the consistency of the batter so that it can look like that of dosha batter. See, the consistency should be like this. 2 things to be noted is that while grinding the rice, it should be grinded properly, and when you add coconut milk, do not add too much. Coming to the main portion, frying of achappam. Into a white pan, heat some oil and when it's hot, dip the mold, achappam mold into it. It should become hot. Then dip this hot mold into the batter, taking care not to immerse the mold completely. Dip the mold covered with batter rapidly into the hot oil. The achappam will float freely in the oil, as you can see here. Here we are showing you once again the procedure. Be sure that the mold is hot while dipping in the batter, or else it won't get released into the hot oil. Now turn over and fry till both sides become golden brown. Once it's ready, drain over the excess oil and transfer it to the kitchen tissue. See, our achappam is ready. For making crispy crunchy achappam, watch our video till the end. It will be difficult to unmold the achappam for the first 2-3 times while using a new mold. It will get seasoned as you keep on using it. It is very important to dip the achappam mold into hot oil before dipping into the batter, or else you won't be able to get the achappam released from the mold. Make sure that the mold does not touch the bottom of the pan after dipping into the batter. Repeat this procedure as shown here for the rest of the batter. If you liked our recipe, please share it with your friends and family, and do not forget to click the like button. As mentioned in the beginning of the video, to get crispier achappam, grind the rice properly and while adding coconut milk, take care. The achapam or cookies will get burnt more if you add more sugar, and it will not get released from the mold easily. You can optionally give a coating of sugar for the achapam, and for that please check our description box below. It's really delicate but crunchy and delicious snack. This achapam recipe is perfect for serving at your next kitty party, and of course, as Christmas is coming, why go out and buy it from shops when you can effortlessly make shop style achapam at home. Serve this sweet crunchy South Indian snack with family or friends on special occasions or with tea or as an evening snack and enjoy. Store this in an airtight container. Do try our recipe and comment. Please like, share and subscribe and click on the notification bell to get our upcoming videos. Thank you.